Cold one this week, but we're going to keep ourselves nice and warm because we have got the digger turned up. Lovely 2.7 ton digger. So we've got to clear all of this mound here, which was previously dug out. And then, like I say, how can I explain it? So from here, all of that's going to be dug out to the level down there, and obviously that's where the patio area is going to be. So obviously we've got to move all the stuff, dig it all out now, so that when it gets a bit warmer in the summertime, we can then obviously get rid of it then, because if not, we're just going to mess up the grass. And then inside, the lads are busy boarding. How are we doing, Steve?
Yeah, pretty good. Cold.
It's cold. Plaster is in tomorrow. So we've got all that sheeted up, plaster ready to do the bedroom. The boarding's done in here. Back doors behind there.
You better not be taking my back door, eh?
We've got all the plumbing in. And we've got the bathroom that's in here. And then if you look out the front, remember that there was a big glass door that used to be a shop front, and now that's a window and a door. So we've been busy.